teamwork, and a team needs a coach, and that's me. Sonic, hold that support strut horizontal.
Yeah, since I'm the judge of this year's chili dog cook-off, I don't think I should help. I have to stay impartial.
No stage, no contest. No contest, no chili dogs to judge.
Tails, Knuckles, get to it.
I don't have time for this. I need Tails to prep the collar planks, and Knuckles to get the joist hangers, and Six to get more sticks. Ta-da!
Thanks for keeping Amy busy so we could finish. Anything for a free chili dog.
What's that? Don't! That's a load-bearing banana! Who builds with a banana?
Only a total dum-dum.
Bananas give me splinters in my gums.
That's it. I'll build the stage myself. Ah. And that, my friends, is a stage. Guys? If you win, I'll wear the trophy upside down on my head like a hat for a year.
No way. My trophy, my hat. No, Knuckles, I think he's trying to... just wear the hat.
Eat 'em and weep, losers! I'm winning this year's cook-off with my super secret chili recipe.
Ketchup, wasabi, and chunks of expired pigeon meat.
Lucky guess.
I finished the stage. Praise me.
Thanks, Amy.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Can it be used as a flotation device in the event of a water landing? We'll see who's steering when that thing lands in the ocean!
We don't need a judging stage. I've got the contest in the bag.
I thought you said it was in the bag.
Yeah, who am the smart one now? That's a rhetorical question, by the way. The answer is, of course, me am. My secret weapon, a one-of-a-kind pepper.
One-of-a-kind peppers. Get your one-of-a-kind peppers. You told us these were one-of-a-kind peppers. I never said they were one-of-a-kind peppers.
Here's another crate of those peppers you're selling as one of a kind. Nah, don't even worry about it. I got another 20 crates on the truck.
Well, that was poorly timed. I suppose you want a refund. I'll just get your money. I keep it in a place called Tough Luck, Losers! Can one of you dears help a poor little old lady?
No!
I deserve that.
If I'm gonna win that hat, I gotta go find a unique pepper. I have found the pepper of peppers. Hot with an indescribable flavor. It might as well stop stirring now.
Not so fast. Behold, the Face Peeler Maximus. Witness now. Mine.
If you dare.
Witness now, if you dare. The Chili Maker 5000.
Copyright Eggman Industries, patent pending, all rights reserved. Some restrictions apply.
This little beauty extracts the very essence of the chili pepper, creating a chili dog of unprecedented potency.
If you want to win this thing, you need the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Well, hand it over.
What part of lost didn't you get? Luckily, I've got this one-of-a-kind map.
Woohoo!
Where do you want this crate of one-of-a-kind maps?
Split them with the others.
Almost there. Awesome! I gotta do that again! The staircase of terrifying slipperiness. Shame on me.
Congratulations! You have successfully traversed the lands of the doomed! So sit back in your very own recliner of the doomed.
Hey, little...
What is this? Let me go!
What is it that you seek?
I seek the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Why do you seek it?
To roast over an open flame, tear the seeds from its insides, chop it into tiny pieces, scald it in boiling oil, and use it to flavor my chili for a chance to win a very small trophy.
I am the lost pepper of Claggerhorn.
Let me finish. It's the opposite of what I would do.
Nice recovery, laddie.
Dude, what's with your head bite?
'Tis a scar I wear proudly to remind me of the home we lost.
What's happening?
It's just it is all, son. Claggerhorn was a paradise. Lush green meadows, majestic mountains, and the hot springs, laddie. It was prophesied that a big doom oaf would come one day to lead us back to our beloved hot springs.
What were they like?
They were hot.
Didn't see that coming.
We have found our oaf! The time has come, me pepper people. We must reclaim our land for our children and our children's children. Are you with me?
Oh, sorry. There's something you don't see every day.
I mean, never surrender.
It can be used as a flotation device.
Orbot, Cubot, deal with these pests.
You got it, boss.
Ow!
Knuckles, what are you doing? Helping these pepper people reclaim what is rightfully theirs! By attacking your friends?
You're gonna have to choose, laddie, between old friends and new. For Claggerhorn!
Lost Pepper! You okay?
She's like 1,000 tiny bubbles, urging me to let go, like the hot springs of old, but with expired pigeon meat.
Does everyone know my secret ingredient?
This is perfect. The pepper people get to take a good hot soak, and in turn they flavor our chili. It's a win-win.
So, what is it you do with this chili anyway? Pour it on your enemies from the turrets of your castles to scald them into submission?
Are you kidding? We put it on hot dogs and we eat you. I mean it.
Oh, that is chunky in my grandfather's beard. You want to eat our essence? Truce over! Attack! Just like the world's finest haggis, but without the wretched taste of minced lungs.
I don't need to taste the others. We have a winner!
Sometimes it just takes a little teamwork to really